Hey, hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, today what I want to do is show you guys how to become a VTuber in less than 10 minutes. Which is easy, it only requires 2 steps. Let me show you. The first one is create your own avatar. And the second one is just download a VTuber application that you are going to use just to stream it. Okay, next I'm going to tell you what to do if you don't have an actual webcam, which you would need normally if you want to become a VTuber. And last, I'm just going to tell you some common problems that you may find while streaming or playing video games and being a VTuber, right? Cool. Next. Okay, first, we have to know what kind of avatar we want to make. There's things like Vkatsu, which lets us make some avatars like freaking dolls. You can also do an avatar from zero. That one is difficult with Blender. Or you could get an avatar pre-made from Sketchfab or another website. But today we are going to be using Visual Studio. This is a tool that works exactly like avatar creation tools in MMOs or like a Skyrim. It is presets, and the only thing you have to do is modify some scroll bars. That's it. Okay, next. What VTuber program are we going to use? Well, you can use something like VUP. Cool thing about VUP is it has pre-made animations. That's actually really cool. It has objects. You can put objects in real time, like you can get something in your hand or in your head, and it tracks. And it also has a lot of tools if you have something else like arm tracking or a Kinect 2 or things like that. Next, you could use something like Kaleidospace. Kaleidospace is actually really great. Most of the tracking is made in a server, so it's not heavy on your computer. And it also has hand tracking, only with a webcam. I mean, you only need a webcam to use the hand tracking and the face tracking. So that's really cool. And it works for 2D and 3D, so maybe, but I'm just using the 3D. Next one would be making your own VTuber application in Unity engine. That one is kind of difficult, freaking installing Unity Hub and learning how to do it. Maybe I would do a tutorial with that in the future, but yeah, no, we are not doing that. Today we're using a program called VSeeFace. I think it's based on Unity. I mean, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, I'm using VSeeFace because it has one thing that I really like called the OSC MPC protocol. That is like the iPhone tracking, but I mean, like if you can see what I can do, yeah, the tracking is way better than normal camera tracking. I'll show you how to do it in the future. Okay, let's go. Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, we can go to the web page and download it, or we can go to Steam. Thankfully, it's a Steam, so we can be happy about it. Okay, here you go. As I said, this is basically a character creation tool. So, like in Skyrim, you select your base model, female or male, and then you can just go ahead and do each and every single one of the details by your own. And everything has a scroll bar. So, like in a game, you can make it from zero and make really cool characters. I mean, let me think about what I want right now. I want something really easy, fast, hairstyle. Let's make it like freaking, I don't know, jeez, like this guy. Cool. Body, I don't care. Outfit. Sure. What is cool? I don't know. Freaking that. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Oh, that's cool. Okay, cool. There you go. someone that does freaking racing, a track race. Anyways, well, first you have to save. Remember, you have to save your avatar because saving is not the same as exporting. You save it, sure, whatever, and then you have to export. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, here, while exporting, there is going to be some options. This is to make it easy to run. I don't like deleting transparent meshes. And export. Title. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Cool. Go to the bottom and export. Cool. Exporting. And now that it's exported, I can just close it. Cool. Nice. Now we go to our VTuber program. Today I'm going to use VCFace, as I said before, and of course, every single web page is in the description. You go to VCFace and then you scroll a little bit down to the big ass download button. Okay, click it and you're going to download these. Actually, I will have to do this for a second. I need to close it. Okay, now let's open it. Cool. Now, this is what you would see. Well, you would first have to do a tutorial, a little tutorial. You just go next. And then you have to choose your camera. Of course, if you don't have a camera, just follow me in the next step. Tracking quality, microphone, your microphone, everything. Your avatar is not going to be there, so you need to add it. Let me find. No, that's Blender. Need to go to Documents, Vroid, Avatars, and what is LOL? LOL. Okay, there is our new avatar. As you can see, I cannot move my mouth. That is because I'm using the thing that I told you I choose this character for, this VTuber software for, which is OSC and VMC. Oh, no, MVC. Okay. VMC, and you need to do some modifications to your character if you want to do that. So I'm just going to turn that off and I'm going to turn on my virtual camera. There you go. I have my virtual camera now. Face tracking, easy, cool. And there you go. As you can see, now I can move, I can talk, and I can do a lot of stuff. There's some other things like expressions. In this software, you can be happy, angry. And a lot of things. Okay, cool. Let me see. Okay, so now the thing that I want, as you can see here, when I'm recording, wait, what? There you go. When I'm recording, I have everything like here in the UI. The only thing you need to do is click this X and then press space. And there you go. You're VTubing now. Okay, now next. I don't have a webcam, so what I did was use a virtual camera from my phone. The only thing you need to do is download the app, in this case EpochCam, and then in your desktop you download the driver. I'm going to go to the driver, there you go. And right there, you download it. You may need to restart your computer, and that's it. Cool. Now for the last part of the video. Common problems. Okay. Let me show you some common problems. Well, one of the problems you may find, there you go, is if you open your task manager and you go to your GPU, your RAM, video RAM, could be on totally full. And if it's totally full, then you are going to be stuttering and having problems with your computer. This may happen if you are streaming and have the VTube and have a game, or maybe if you're only VTubing and streaming, I don't know. But just remember, if you have a problem, just go ahead and find what the heck is the thing using the most of any resource. These video resources, the only way to see them is in this tab, in the second tab. But anyway, if you have any problems with this, you may need to change your encoding on streaming. Let me show you how to do that. You go to settings, you go to output. This thing that says encoder, you have to change it to CPU encoding. I mean, you may need to change it to CPU encoding if you don't have enough VRAM. Okay, guys. Well, have a nice one. Start VTubing. Goodbye.